First, the top news headlines. FIR lodged against Manipur Congress President K. Meghachandra for allegedly obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions, criminal trespass. Manipur celebrates 74th Republic Day with mass participation amidst total shutdown call given by various underground outfits. Five Manipur police personnel arrested with contraband drugs on January 16th, terminated from service, says Chief Minister. Tripark claims responsibility for two bomb blasts at Gandhi Statue platform in Ukhrul town, Wangkai Keitel in Imphal East. Naga People's Front NPF not getting enough candidates to contest in 60 seats in Nagaland polls, claims party leader. And Longmai area women folk decries alleged arbitrary detention of villager by Imphal West Police Commando, sit-in protest held. A very good evening. You are watching IS Primetime English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear mask, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. An FIR has been lodged against MLA and President of Manipur Congress K. Meghachandra for allegedly obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions, criminal trespass. The FIR has been registered against Manipur Congress President K. Meghachandra at the Kakching police station. The complaint was filed by an assistant sub-inspector of Manipur Police K. H. Govinda. Along with Meghachandra, another person from Kakching district of Manipur, Khetrimayum Kennedy, has also been named in the FIR. The DO has been accused of obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions, criminal trespass with common intention punishable under section 186/447/34 IPC. The DO has also been accused of speaking to the media over the arrest of the 5 Manipur cops for alleged drug smuggling without informing the authorities. Providing interviews to social media at a time when the police inquiry is underway and also at a location where examination work is going on had met huge distractions and obstructions and dampened the momentum of the investigations, the FIR stated. Meanwhile, K. Meghachandra admitted that he visited the SP's office only to appreciate the achievements of the police in the seizure of drugs from errant police personnel. He also said he is in support of the government's war on drugs. The Manipur Congress president said that neither he nor his team organized a press briefing inside the SP office. But K. Meghachandra said that he did respond to the queries of some newsmen who had come to the police station. Manipur celebrated the country's 74th Republic Day with mass participation from across the state, joining the nationwide celebration yesterday. The state-level Republic Day celebrations 2023 was held at Kangla with Governor of Manipur Laganation unfurling the national flag and taking salute from different march-past contingents. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Cabinet Ministers Lok Yukta of Manipur, Members of Parliament, Members of Legislative Assembly constituencies, Chief Secretary, Director General of Police and senior civil and police officials took part in the celebration. This celebration began with the Governor inspecting the Guard of Honor accorded by a contingent of 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles commanded by Additional Superintendent of Police Central Motor Transport Workshop T. Biswajit Singh, MPS. Later, Governor Laganation unfurled the tricolour amidst playing of the national anthem by 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Band and then took salute from 76 march-past contingents, including different band contingents, commanded by Commandant of 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles, Victoria Yenkhom, MPS. Apart from this, 20 different cultural troupes and tableaux of 14 different departments took part in the marching contingents following the mass past. Chief Minister N. Biren said that the centre has included two personalities from the state, Thaunauzam Chauba Singh, Public Affairs, and K. Sanathoibas Sharma, Sports, for Padma Shri awarded for distinguished service in any field. N. Biren Singh was delivering the vote of thanks at the first Manipur Rifles ground as part of the 74th Republic Day celebration. The Chief Minister wished the people of the state on the occasion and further thanked everyone, including students, civil police, security forces, ex-servicemen, people from different communities and civil societies for taking part in the celebration. It is under the Indian Constitution that the citizens of the country enjoy their rights and responsibilities, Chief Minister added. Further stating that India has assumed the presidency of the G20 and that Manipur will also be hosting meetings as part of the presidency as in other parts of the country. The Chief Minister sought support from the people for successful hosting of the meetings. Today, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has become a leading nation in various fields including defense, production, economy, automobile, he said. Meanwhile, during the celebration at Kangla, officers and personnel of Manipur Police, Manipur Central Jail and Manipur Fire Service Department were decorated by the Governor with the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, Police Medal for Gallantry, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training, President Correctional Service Medal for Distinguished Service, President Correctional Service Medals for Meritorious Service and Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service. Director General of Police Prison and Managing Director Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited Christopher Dongal IPS received the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service. Inspector Commando Imphal West Gunachandra Chanam and Head Constable 8 India Reserve Battalion IRB Hizam Ishwar Chandra Singh were decorated with the Police Medal for Gallantry. Police Medal for Meritorious Service was accorded to Superintendent of Police SP Vigilance and Anti-Corruption S. Gautam Singh IPS, Deputy Superintendent of Police CID SB TH Gozen Singh, MPS Inspector Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Konthauzam Bobi, Subedar 1st MR Akoizam Bhogendro Singh, Subedar 1st IRB Sanasam Raju Singh, Jemadar MPTC Konjengbang Priyojit Singh, Head Constable CID SB M. Parpachote and Assistant Sub-Inspector Imphal West Sarangthem Joy Chandra Mitei. Subedar MPTC Maibam Babu Mitei, Subedar MPTC Potsangbam Robert Singh, Jemadar Lukram Lenin Mitei and Rifleman MPTC Kongbrai Latpam Prem Sundar Sharma received the Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training. Retired Deputy Superintendent and Hemant Kumar Singh was accorded with President Correctional Service Medal for Distinguished Service, while Chief Head Warder W. Didamas Tangkhul, Head Warder Jikhokai Telthang, Warder Kubzalam Nesil, Warder L. Robindro Singh and retired Chief Head Warder Hamsel Lamkang were accorded with President Correctional Service Medals for Meritorious Service. Apart from this, Fireman M. Romendro Singh and Lanamay Benjamin of Fire Service Department received their Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service. Five Manipur police personnel who were arrested with contraband drugs on January 16 have been terminated from service. This was confirmed by Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Thursday during his Republic Day speech at Imphal. The terminated personnel were Havildar K.H. Achoba Singh of MPTC, Rifleman T.H. Subhash Chote of 7th Manipur Rifle attached with Commando Unit Kakching, Commando Y. Dineshwar Meite of Imphal West District, Rifleman M. Prem Chandra Singh of 6th MR presently attached with Commando Unit Kakching and Rifleman N. Dorendrajit Singh of 6th Manipur Rifle presently attached with Commando Unit. On January 16, the 5 Manipur Police Commando who were posted at More were arrested with 1.336 kg of heroin and 9.151 kg of suspected WY tablet methamphetamine tablets at Kurau Pokpi along National Highway 102. A cash of rupees 80,000 was also seized from Achoba. They were arrested by Kakching District Police near St. Joseph's School, Kurau Pokpi, Kakching District. The Chief Minister said that the action of the government highlights the seriousness of the state government in its war on drugs campaign. Chief Minister Biren Singh said that stern actions would be taken up against the policemen who were involved in drugs smuggling. Biren warned that there will be no compromise against anyone found involved in illegal drug trafficking and poppy plantation.
War on drugs is a documented serious one. War on drugs to Saturday, policing uniforms in America, police hang no honor, Sada Tundaki Senjariba, Sing Gardana, Badgi, Ahing Letana, Aing Bamarkas, our Marka, Kataki honor policing with it. So on never Torumba, Mio Mangadu, Madu, exemplary punishment when Governor, Honorable Governor is level on a committee, Pamatunga. Service dagi ngasi dagi kutak dagi terminate taure ada moi manga mo ngasi me amla koksari madu ki termination order do media ki kangbu dai akoi DIPR dagi phangba yagani aduga sigal hoina na kana gumba amatang security personnel dagi wairagana singasi phangiba termination ki order se kutak ta just formality ki nominee hudi lorga termination loin tawgani whoever aduga civil da warasu politician da warasu anybody madu I government see war on drugs the poppy thariba drug carbato single point to compromise the roy I don't say Foxery. No, I am Punamaka Muka and I have a Pizza I Amona Tagasari.
Chief Minister Nongthom Biren unfurled the tricolour on the occasion of 74th Republic Day at his official residence in Imphal yesterday. Greeting the people on the occasion, Chief Minister expressed happiness and showed respect to the Constitution. He called upon the people to work together to follow the trail of the leaders who made immense contributions to make India a sovereign, democratic and republic nation. He also wished for a peaceful and prosperous country. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also celebrated the 74th Republic Day at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. MPCC also paid rich tribute to freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu on her 108th birth anniversary yesterday. CLP leader Okrami Bobi, MPCC President K. Meghachandra and other party leaders and workers were also present.
State amadi nation city directive principles mayam sing Bharat ki praja punamakta phangba hokiba chatlaba hokiba mikubasi yamna chapthokjaba mikubon rubisidagi hoduna ngasi Bharat ki mafam khudimakta tongan ba khenaba legiba mayam sing unity oiduna amasung संविधान से चटपा होगु मिपुं खुदिमकी मुफम थोपा राइट म्याम फुंगा हराव मुमोन निनो करवेना साखो थोरांगी तोंगान बा मिपुं खुदिमकी एक्टिविटी कया पाखेफां नमजदुना भारत असि यामना अदिगुंबा यामना फिदमनिंगाई ओइबा लेबाक अमा ओइबा नुमित
The proscribed insurgent organization People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Pripak claimed responsibility for the two bomb blasts, one at Gandhi Statue platform in Ukhrul town in Ukhrul district headquarters on the eve of Republic Day, in which 2 tribal women and 2 men were injured, and another at Wangkai Keitel in Imphal East district. A powerful explosion took place at around 5:43 p.m. on January 26. A hotel staff was injured in the explosion. Hospital sources said that the boy is out of danger. A press statement from Pripak said that the bombs were planted and exploded by the Red Army, the military wing of the outfit. The total shutdown call given by all underground groups in Manipur hit normal life on Republic Day yesterday. Korkom and other outfits imposed a strike to boycott the Republic Day celebrations in the state. Thangal Bazar, Pauna Bazar, Khwairamban Market in Imphal and markets in other district headquarters also remained shut due to the strike. No untoward incidents were reported during the course of the ban. Vehicles were off the road except movement of some private vehicles for unexpected emergencies. All inter-district and interstate passenger services were cancelled. Security forces intensified security measures to ensure smooth conduct of the Republic Day parade. Combined forces of police and security personnel had launched cordon and search operations at all trouble-prone areas weeks ahead of the Republic Day celebration. However, no insurgents were found. Ahead of the Nagaland Assembly election, the chief of Naga People's Front (NPF), Azo Neinu, claimed that the party lacks enough candidates to contest in all 60 assembly seats. The NPF legislature party leader Azo Neinu, while speaking at an interview for a local media outlet, asserted that his party is not getting enough candidates to contest in all 60 seats. Quote, "Our party is just hand to mouth. We are having a shortage of candidates to find in all the 60 seats," he added. When asked if the NPF would contest all 60 assembly seats, he stated that the party was considering contesting no more than 30 seats, but that seat allocation and ticket distribution would be decided by party leaders and legislatures. The regional party has disclosed their plans of keeping doors open for any post-poll alliance, for which they are working towards building understanding with all political parties. Earlier on January 19, the NPF legislature Azo Neinu said that the party has formulated a policy strategy called pre-poll understanding for post-poll alliance. He also dismissed speculations of an alliance between NPF and Congress in the forthcoming election by reiterating that NPF will pursue pre-poll understanding for the post-poll alliance. Azo said this was also shared by party president SURAJ when Congress leaders visited him recently. He also stated that the NPF, NDPP and BJP had formed the United Democratic Alliance UDA in the larger interest of the Naga political issue. Quote, "The pressing demand for a solution to the Naga political issue may grow stronger after 2023, and thus we cannot rule out another all-party government after the election," he said. Azo, on the other hand, stated that an all-party government would not be formed if it did not serve the interest of Nagas. The Longmai area women folk today decried the alleged act of a team of Imphal West Police Commando led by Sub-Inspector Muhammad Tariq Ali for arbitrary detention of one SK Adipao, aged 67 years, son of late SK Pokingai, a former General Secretary of Land and Properties Owners Association. He is a permanent resident of Khumzi Bazar, presently staying at Konthauza Maninglikay. The commando team reportedly whisked him away from his house at Konthauza on 19th of January around 6 a.m. The police commando team climbed the residential gate before entering his bedroom and took him away without any arrest memo. Later, the commando team carried him inside their vehicle, roaming around some villages or lakais in Imphal. Inside the vehicle, SK Adipao was reportedly threatened by the commando personnel that he should disclose some persons taking shelter in his house. He was later dropped at his house after allegedly being mentally harassed. Decrying the incident, Longmai area women folk held a sit-in protest at Treasure Valley Longmai Bazar, None district headquarters today. They displayed several placards condemning the incident. The women folk warned that if the Home Department does not take up necessary action against the said police commando team, the Longmai area people will not remain a silent spectator.
Konthauza Maninglikayda laiba Adipaugi mayumda Imphal West ki commando team amana ayuk ngangraba matam aduda arrest memo yaudana pan lalaga mahapu harga puhibe maram se akoine yaningde haina phongdokpani maram che ma se micham amani ahal amani mahak se Land and Property Association ki former secretary ni adu orgasu ma se hujik se magi secretary ki post se thadokna micham ama oina ma se lairabani adubu Imphal West ki commando ki team amana na laaga mabu puraga hongba chawbagi yum karai dano haduna hang tao hadra kuipu puraga mabu tawba thabak se akoi yaningde aduna asuyumba thabak ase amuka tawba targa di akoi praja miyam se.
Republic Day was celebrated for Imphal district at Star Sporting Ground, Porumpad, with Srimati Kumantem Daina Devi, IS, Deputy Commissioner, Imphal East District, unfurling the national flag at 9:15 a.m. The celebration was graced by SP Imphal East Sri M. Pradeep Singh, IPS, Kumari Khetri Tama Devi, ex-Upa-Adhyaksha, Imphal East, JP Additional DCs, SDOs, AC2 DCs, district level officers, staff of all offices of Imphal East, residents of Porompat area. 24 various contingent and 4 tableaus participated in the celebration with march past and saluting DC Imphal East. The speech given by DC Imphal East is annexed herewith. The celebration was followed by a foot march between DC 11 versus SP 11, wherein SP 11 won by 2-0. After the match, SP Imphal East hosted a sumptuous lunch at District Police Headquarters at Porompat, where all the DLOs had it lovingly. The 74th Republic Day 2023 was celebrated by District Administration Thobal. The main function was held at Basu Ground, opposite SP Office Thobal. Deputy Commissioner Thobal A. Subhash Singh IS unfurled the national flag and took salute from the march past contingents led by Parade Commander W. Ibocha Singh MPS, SDPO Thobal. Altogether, 30 contingents, including Manipur Police, VDF, NCC, school, college, band party and cultural troops participated in the march past and trailing the audience. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Commissioner A. Subhash Singh said that various welfare schemes have been taken up by the government in the district. Highlighting the achievements and contributions of various departments in the district, Deputy Commissioner said the police personnel in the district under the supervision of SP Thobal have done commendable service, including war on drugs and maintaining law and order. He also stated that in education sector, the district has achieved various milestones. Government schools in the district have recorded pass percentage of 87.18% in SSLC exam 2022-2023, which is higher than the state record of 60.46%. He also added that Charangpat High School achieved 100% in the SSLC exam. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates. Go Aviator Academy, a complete platform for aviation aspirants, inspired by experienced professionals. Come and join with us, a course designed for cabin crew and ground staff to help turn your dreams into reality. Welcome back after the break. You're watching IS Primetime English News. All the districts celebrated the 74th Republic Day 2023. District Administration None celebrated the Republic Day at Longmai Tree Public Ground. The program was graced by Joseph Pauline Kamson, IAS, Deputy Commissioner None as chief guest. He inspected the parade accompanied by SP None and Parade Commander. He unfurled the tricolour with Rashtriya Salute followed by national anthem sung by the march past contingent. 16 contingents from private and government schools of Longmai area, including None District Police Team, participated in the march past. The 74th Republic Day was celebrated in Kangpokpi District 2, organized by the District Administration Kangpokpi at the premises of the DC Office Complex. Deputy Commissioner Kangpokpi Kengu Zuringla IS inspected the Guard of Honor and unfurled the national flag on the occasion. She took salute from 6 parade contingents led by Parade Commander DSP Saihang Khongsai. The contingent included Kangpokpi District Police, Kangpokpi District VDF, JNV School, Kangpokpi High School, Eklavya Model Residential School, Gamnom Sapurmina and ICDS Kangpokpi. The function was attended by officers and staff of various departments, including staff of Deputy Commissioner's Office, Kangpokpi. Kamjong District also joined the nation in observing the 74th Republic Day celebration at the district headquarters. The main event organized by the district administration, Kamjong, was held at the ground of the Kamjong Higher Secondary School. Deputy Commissioner Ranamai Rangpeter IS unfurled the national flag as the band party of the 8 Assam Rifles played the national anthem. He later took the salute of the march past contingents. Apart from the DC, the observation was graced by SP P. Manjit, ADM Ningrairam Leisang and CO of 8 Assam Rifles as dignitaries. All DLOs, CSO leaders and hundreds of people also attended the event. Somsai Battalion of 10 Sector under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South actively participated in 74th Republic Day celebration at Bakshi Ground, Ukhrul. As part of the celebration, Assam Rifles, pipe, band displayed and trailing performance. Students of Somsai Assam Rifles Public School performed patriotic dance, thus filling their patriotism in every individual of Ukhrul district. The villagers of Ukhrul town and district administration appreciated the performance and efforts put in by the Assam Rifles. The Assam Rifles also distributed gifts to students of different schools to mark the day. It also celebrated Republic Day along with students of Assam Rifles Center of Educational Excellence, Kangwai. Loktak Battalion also celebrated the 74th Republic Day in Bishnupur and Churchandpur districts. Manipur reported 0 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, according to the latest updates from the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room. A total of 76 samples were tested in these same hours, which returned negative. The state's coronavirus cash load stands at 1,39,922, while the death toll stands at 2,149. India logged 99 new coronavirus infections, while the active cases declined to 1,896, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The COVID case tally was recorded at 4,46,82,437. The death toll stands at 5,30,739, with one death reported by Maharashtra. The data updated at 8 a.m. stated. The daily positivity record was recorded at 0.10%, while the weekly positivity was pegged at 0.08%. The active cases now comprise 0.01% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate has increased to 98.81%. The ministry said a decrease of 10 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 cash load in a span of 24 hours. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 4,41,49,802, while the case fatality rate was recorded at 1.19%. According to the ministry's website, 220.36 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the 20 lakh mark on August 7, 2020, 30 lakh on August 23rd, 40 lakh on September 5th, and 50 lakh on September 16. The country crossed the grim milestone of 4 crore on January 25th last year. Two schoolgirls on the way to their school to take part in the 74th Republic Day celebrations lost their lives after the vehicle they were traveling in collided head-on with a stationary truck and a couple of motorcycles in Western Assam, Dhubri district, as per a media report. 5 others were also seriously injured in the fatal incident. The incident took place on the VZ GTB road in Dhubri town on Thursday morning. The ill-fated vehicle bearing registration number AS17J5224 was on the way to Gauripur from Dhubri town when the mishap took place. The onlookers soon swung into action to rescue the injured people. All the injured were rushed to the Dhubri Medical College and Hospital in critical condition. However, doctors attending to the patients declared 2 girl students, Nirmali Rai, 16, and Sivangi Rai, 14, as brought dead. 4 others, Riyan Hussain, Jahidul Haq, Ria Saha, Jennifer Hussain, and Moidul Islam are undergoing treatment in the hospital at present, and their condition is stated to be critical. In Thailand, officials have been advised people to work from home and wear face masks due to air pollution that has worsened to unhealthy levels in the capital city, Bangkok. The officials also urged people to use public transport rather than private cars for commuting. The officials also said the authorities would seek to reduce sources of pollution such as outdoor burning and construction activities. According to media reports, the number of patients experiencing pollution-related health problems more than doubled to nearly 2,13,000 this week from about 96,000 last week. Most were experiencing respiratory tract problems as well as symptoms such as dermatitis or eye inflammation. Agricultural burning and forest fires are major causes of air pollution in Thailand between December and April, especially in the northwest. Pollution from these fires also affects Bangkok, which already struggles with bad air due to its factories, constructions and traffics. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, in cricket, the first T20 international of the three-match series between India and New Zealand will be played at JSCA International Stadium Complex in Ranchi today. The match will start at 7 p.m. India claimed the top spot in the ICC men's ODI ranking after clean sweeping the Kiwis by 3-0 in the series. The host won the third and final ODI at the Holkar Stadium in Indore by 90 runs, secured a comprehensive 8 wickets win in the second ODI in Raipur, and won the first one there by 12 runs in Hyderabad. New Zealand was 40 for 2 in 6 overs against India in the ICC Under-19 T20 Women's World Cup at Senways Park, Potchefstroom, South Africa. Earlier, India won the toss and opted to field first. In the second semi-final, England is taking on Australia this evening. The match started at 5:15 p.m. Indian time. The winners of these two matches will face off in Sunday's final, which will also be held in Potchefstroom. In table tennis, star Indian paddler Manika Batra continued her ascent in the ITTF rankings as she climbed 3 places to reach a career-best 33rd spot in the latest women's list. The 27-year-old, who won a historic bronze medal at the Asian Cup in November, reached the semi-finals at the WTT Contender in Doha last week. The effort fetched her 140 points. Veteran paddler Sarat Kamal jumped 2 places in the men's ranking list to be 46th, while G. Satyan dropped a spot to 40th. The mixed doubles pair of Manika and Satyan, however, dropped a spot to 6th despite reaching the semi-final of the WTT Contender in Doha. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. FIR lodged against Manipur Congress President K. Meghachandra for allegedly obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions, criminal trespass. Manipur celebrates 74th Republic Day with mass participation amidst total shutdown called even by various underground outfits. Five Manipur police personnel arrested with contraband drugs on January 16, terminated from service, says Chief Minister. Park claims responsibility for 2 bomb blasts at Gandhi Statue platform in Ukhrul town, Wangkai Keitel in Imphal East. Naga People's Front NPF not getting enough candidates to contest in 60 seats in Nagaland polls, claims party leader. Longmai area women folk decries alleged arbitrary detention of villager by Imphal West Police Commando, sit-in protest held. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching IS News and good night.